There are some tips and tricks to help you with your gradebook in Schoology. So let's start by opening our gradebook. Since I'm using a previous class, you can see the overview of all my grades. So let's sort by quarter. In one marking period, you can get a lot of grades, all with different categories and different weights. So how do you find specific things you're looking for? Let's start by sorting by materials. At the top here, you have a drop-down menu. Start by selecting the All Materials drop-down menu. Here, I can filter out what I want to see. So for example, if I chose All Categories, well, this would be something that would be very helpful for a rubric-based report card. Or if I'm looking for just homework. Now the only things that I see are the things that I've assigned as homework. I also have an overall homework score here on the left, and I can compare it to my overall grade. Let's check out just unit assessments. If I want to see how students are testing compared to their overall score, I can filter out just my assessments. I always found it preferable to allow students to hand in work late. So under View on the top right-hand side here, you can see anything that is graded with a new submission, and this will highlight just my late assignments. So if students have turned assignments in late and I still want to give them credit for it, when I've selected that, I then search for just the highlighted blue boxes. There's one. Now I can edit the grade, or I could view the student's assignment and grade it that way.